And then Matthias and be number was meeting some say, I beg Ghana for Sabia young Colana. Hey! Oh, David. It's here for. As you ever to us on the subscribe and click the notification bell so you understand latest news via bar once I ever can. Assemble. As I'm about to chemistry. Reverend Osu Bempa. Yen him say on Avram Bemoshe. Just say entokwane de egusua eko. We ba na waba attack na Avram Bemoshe so aba abeye video amano just say back and forth sa ene eko. Na etiefo Samoba kaya embra Avram Bemoshe ene Reverend Osu Bempa enya beef no. Embra wo mo sha se wo mo beye debate no. Wo mo eko Reverend Osu Bempa na sorry. Ena Avram Bemoshe during one of a year debate session no and sessions no. We make a statement be would ensure eto ho eno ka se ende ye wa sorry them. Mo say Jesus Christ existed. Some more person mo say Jesus Christ really existed. Me kra ensure ewa ha. Mo ma ensure no enda ne wine because Jesus Christ aka say dia wono ye no mo be ye amanabro so e wo Bible mo so Jesus Christ wo yesa. Before I even give you this whole story, I'll let you know that I am a Christian. I believe Jesus Christ existed and I believe he came to die to save our sins. With that being said, the entire story is so. It's Abraham Bemoshe cancer asem no. Will be anywhere wo to me eba forward. E wo Reverend Osu Bempa sorry dem or Reverend Osu Bempa so e wo ho. Will be anywhere wo to me eba forward. It to me ebe dane insure no wine. Emma debate no. It was live on Kofi TV. Woman ye debate we can Kofi TV cracker say eya ne ya pan say ya ba sorry dem na Abraham Bemoshe yi kwase asofo bebre wa ha wo bi eni ho a wotumi ema ensio ne da na wine Kofi TV cracker. Now sa asem no na Reverend Osu Bempa ene Abraham Bemoshe wo mo beda ne namfofo after that debate ena wo mo relationship no ebe say na nsem bia wo mo kan bia me de brewo sikasem ne de me de na brewo say we follow me for a very long time and you know the rundown the see here between Abraham Bemoshe and the Reverend Osu Bempa. This is not the time for us to go back into sansem no na ende me wo ho na me hu say video bi trendy and me say me nkonko tie Reverend Osu Bempa no work kan nsem bia fa Abraham Bemoshe ho. In the first place, Reverend Osu Bempa comments be will make it and I was like, wait there, you serious? Reverend Osu Bempa say Abraham Bemoshe should prepare his coffin. Now what warning no? Say Abraham Bemoshe enche wo bewu. Na spiritual matter no Reverend Osu Bempa work because so say na Abraham Bemoshe or attack asofo anansen yakra Abraham Bemoshe e de akosofo pani Archbishop Duncan Williams so a obehu dey say yes Abraham Bemoshe just say ni wo na inkrata na wasan ni na me say wait there a threatening message pound Reverend Osu Bempa you shouldn't be saying things like this online. You shouldn't be saying things like this because ye ni ayenim ukwa ka say na wo bi e de boni bi ekokodi Abraham Bemoshe ewupe ye bebo Reverend Osu Bempa din because you have been on record to have said something like that. Enkodan chain. E na Reverend Osu Bempa ba ya beka say, "Wono Reverend Osu Bempa, sisi a wo pese woni Abraham Bemoshe eye debate no biom." And the entire workers and say, the first time they did the debate, Reverend Osu Bempa na sorry Abraham Bemoshe ka say, "Osofo bi say wo ye sofo wa ha, wo meda ni nsuo wine no." That debate was initially meant from Abraham Bemoshe and Reverend Osu Bempa. That debate it was initially meant for Abraham Bemoshe and Osu Bempa. Womo kwa grounds na se no mu hu say say enye Reverend Osu Bempa nka sakra na eba debate na Reverend Osu Bempa ape wo bi say wonji na mu ma no say nipa ko no ye friend no Elder Emisa Elder Emisa ye scholar obi a wako school a we sia Christosum edu echi Inti Reverend also bempa Emma Elder Emisa representing a debate nimu. Abraham Bemoshe wasn't happy because Embra Norbana he thought he was coming to debate Reverend also bempa himself. But still the debate had to go on. Inti Abraham Bemoshe up to now in some way ya walk or can cry eka ho say ani debate ni cry it was meant for me and you and now Reverend also bempa who sruenti ukope will be say won't be jine mu ma. Reverend also bempa say and then what person wono ene Abraham Bemoshe e debate. Was it ende wo be debate Abraham Bemoshe. Na sa miracle na Abraham Bemoshe pese wo hu. Na miracle no ogidi because Abraham Bemoshe say eje sensofo no eye miracles and so no no beje dey say yes Yesu Kristo bi ewo ho. It was sa miracle na Abraham Bemoshe pese wo hu na ogidi no. Wonu Reverend Osu Bempa wo be ye. Na miracle no eno ne say ase na me pese wutie mi ye. Was a miracle no and say Abraham Bemoshe no wo be peniso ama ye twaniti ni ye twaniti a wonu Reverend Osu Bempa e de ni ti ne be hye na wanyane no na no na Abraham Bemoshe hu ne say yes my miracle and I me say Reverend Osu Bempa asem me hey I was sure say Reverend Osu Bempa be ka bibi say me say Reverend Osu Bempa are you serious? Say miracle a wo pese wo ye na Abraham eji wudi ni say ye ntwa Abraham ti na wo umfa ni ti no enhye na wo ntumi afa ni ti na enhye a wo nso ye ntwa wuti na me say no why mo pensi obi mbra mi o mo pensi obi mbra mi etiefo just asami kra trame. It's me friends of omo fa nsiom bre me ba ma me friend me sum boys on fa nsiom bre me yaw fa nsiom bre me nsio ba ko asa me tra me o etifo nti makola na ma friend so on fa nsiom bre me no Reverend Osu Bempa ma me ntwa na me nu me nsio ni ye ne enti aso wose miracle na stress am say na ade Reverend Osu Bempa ye me say ye yankola wo krum ha na say miracle a wo pese wo ye na Abraham gidi ene say wo pese one ye twa ne ti na wo sanso de ne ti ni so ida bi o ti ye twa ne ti no na wo de ne ti ni na anye ya na chese say Abraham no wewu ena Reverend Osu Bempa kan say ye na enye ya ono nso ye ntwa ne ti biom da bi na di wo ye na ene ya nipa ku na ewe ye twa wo ti kra it doesn't stop the fact say Abraham Bemoshe is dead. That's it. Etiefo ye di mission na brere me share ma me no ma enti ase na asem we die asem atra me back to the matter. Reverend Osu Bempa say yentwa o de yenkonko tiembra mesre me mpese ebe kwa akoye se me na meka asemato na sunti yenko tiembra
grane insu eda nensa obi aswati me ade atare o laso se wo nyane no we e na miracle mudu na woni de be mama Abraham Bemoshe pa ye betro challenge cement mi anya ye be swear say David so say den a death issue to say Elijah and Baal worship is not right. Cement mi anya ye nkume me Abraham Bemoshe be shia ye be ma media fo nyina ba ho say sports stadium say hin ye be shia ono abetu sude of any time ope ni akwa ko shia now me pesi e twaliti na dititi say me e wo Yesu bi mu man fa ni ti na nsi ho ama na ama life a ye twa musu TV
mo asumu pa we enye se bo bi beba be ka se melodies no wa kofa obi asem na trese wo kan enye ne kre eni ni o oh me ti we make am trese ma stress am say Reverend Osu Bempa seriously Into upesa who prove the existence of Jesus Christ Emma Obi. Upesa who prove the existence of Jesus Christ Etre Obi. This is the way you think you can prove it. That be. Odie say etite ena upesa ye nia ye hu say Jesus Christ a. Na ka odie ka say odie odwan because utumi ye Emma nipa obetumi aya ma odwan so. Ka say odie ye mfa odwan mbra. Ye ntwa odwan ni ti. Ye twa odwan ni ti wi a mebo Jesus din na me di odwan ni ti asanso ahye. Eno no si ye na anye ye a na ye hu ne say odwan na wewu ne twa na nse da na we sa. Na wo be ma de we nipa sebe unim pefe se wo bi ani wa wo be pene. Na we at the end of the day Abraham Moshe ampene a na won so wo de nya asema ka say se me ka tell say me ya miracle atrel miracle na me ka say me ya atrel no wo say wo mpene. But you know that the thing you are asking for is very outrageous. Even in the laws of this country, it will not be done. Abraham Moshe and so said in prayer as a one Jimmy. Uko tani tina say went to me and Nebioma. Just say we free. So Reverend Osubenpa knows say this thing he's asking for cannot and will not be done. No, so the aya sem can say ane. Se me ka say miracle no, me ka me miracle na yen si yen twa oti no, wo se wo nye nti tre say no ano no. Da bi, yanya sa. Reverend Osubenpa. Yanya sa. Dabi. Me ye Christoni. Intena me dey can declare say me ye Christoni, but wait dear Reverend Osubenpa, wetiti. Nanka wo dia ka say wo dwan kraman nentwie mu de yemfa nentwie mbra na mentwa nentwie niti mesanso de ahye na eno ne yehu ne say yes because say wo betumi aye ama nipa you can't tell me say Jesus Christ on my power say yeman men nentwie ene no ye na mfa na yehu ne say okay amfa nentwie no wewu yanko nua ne endi. Now how can you say something like it is extremely ridiculous and outrageous? And those even close to Reverend Osubenpa know, say, are there way there? There is no way it will happen. Abraham say insure than any wine. O see a non put there, and the simplest thing, easy. And no ye pe, easy yate, but and no ye pe. Why don't you just do that one? And then ye Christopher no, ye be helu say yes. Na ni pati, ye twa ni pati, ye nti ni pe me so le Reverend Osubenpa kra wo tie audio we obehu ne say dabi ni pati na wo kan ne de wanka ne ye and rightfully so wanka ne ye mo ntia mo adwo comment box ni mo be da say